What exactly are futures and why are they so popular? Futures are contracts that track the price of something. That could be an index like S&P 500, a commodity like gold or oil, or even other markets. When you are trading futures, you are not actually buying the stocks or the gold. You're trading a contract whose value changes as the market price moves. How do the futures work? The basic idea is very simple. If you think the price will go up, you go long. If you think the price will go down, you go short. For example, if you go long on S&P 500 futures contract and the market rises, you make money. If the market falls, you lose money. If you go short, it's the opposite. So futures allow you potentially profit from both rising and falling markets. Why day traders like futures? First, you can trade major markets like S&P 500 and Nasdaq. Second, futures markets are available for most of the day, giving traders more flexibility. And third, futures offer leverage. In simple terms, leverage allows you to control a larger position with less money. That can increase your potential profits, but it also increases your potential losses. And there is another important option for smaller traders, micro futures. For example, MES follows S&P 500 while MNQ follows the Nasdaq 100. Micro contracts are smaller, so each price move has a smaller dollar impact. This can make them easier to manage when you're starting out. So futures are contracts that let you trade the price of major markets. You can go long or short, trade for most of the day, and use micro futures for smaller positions. That's why futures are so popular with day traders.